Hi, and welcome to Triple C Trailer Sales in Waterville Lake, Michigan. Today, we are going to show you a 2023 4-star 2-horse straight low bumper pull with a side ramp. This trailer is 8 foot tall and it has a 16-foot box. Here in the dressing room, there is a fold-out step at the door, rubber on the floor, 3 saddle racks, a clothes rod. The roof is insulated in the horse area and in the dressing room. Both the rear ramp and the side ramp both have easy lift. The floor is a worm floor that stands for We Eliminate Rubber Mats. It is a permanent poured floor. The chest and butt bars are quiet ride, along with a lower removable divider. Now this trailer has 2 sets of extra windows. There's also 2 fans and 2 roof vents at the front. So this trailer has a lot of airflow. It's well insulated. There's 2 feed bags here in the front. On the front of the trailer, there is an electric jack, and this trailer is priced at $42,000. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 269-463-6121. Thank you.